On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login problem in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, or what you wanna do is open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps, search for Snapchat, click on it. Now all what you wanna do here is click on this option to stop the app, click on stop here, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable every permission right here. Go back, click on the data usage, and right here also make sure to enable everything. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, go back again, click on this open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. And the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.